Sales, marketing, and time management are huge for a business.
We're talking with Kira now. Kira, I understand you just attended the Grow Your Business in 90 Days workshop. What would you say was the number one takeaway from today's event?
I'm so energized as a result of everything that I learned here. I feel like I've got some new ideas to create more structure in my business, whether it's time management or sales or approaching the things in marketing that I've been procrastinating on.
Sales, one thing I would say was that putting in perspective what's a realistic time frame to connect with the customer or the contact that you have.
I guess no sale is dead. You can just keep on plugging away.
If you have a potential client that falls into the fallback category, that is not necessarily a failure or a dead lead, you have the opportunity to rekindle them.
Now, what does fallback position mean?
You haven't made a set time to meet with them. You let them go without committing to that. So you need to get back to making a commitment.
On the marketing side, how can you organize your website? How can you utilize your website? What's the key things that people are looking for in social media?
Figuring out your audience and figuring out your competitors.
There's all different avenues in marketing. There's social media, there's good old-fashioned phone calls, there's newsletters.
Time management, learning myself not to overbook myself.
To put lists down on your calendar, your to-do list, that makes sure that you take care of business that way, that you don't forget to do those tasks.
It's well worth the day. It will help you refocus, re-energize you.
Stop everything and go straight to this workshop because you'll get so many great ideas that you can apply to your business.
Sounds like you're going to leave here being more organized and more profitable, yes?
Yes, I am. Yes, this is a really awesome program.
The presenters were absolutely amazing. I feel like I got 4 times at least the value of what I paid for this in about the first half hour.
Everything I learned was very insightful and just a wonderful experience.